Hey guys, welcome back to some more Happy Wheels. And I went to the play count for this week. And the first level is called Roof Gauntlet 2. So let's start. Let's hit restart. And here we go. Oh, axe, I need axe. Oh, that frame, right? I forget. Oh, good. Oh, cool, we got a weapon. Human bridge. Oh, we lost the weapon. Oh, darn you, kid. Didn't I tell you not to do that? You're grounded once I get out of this place. Whoa, harpoon. Here we go. Whoa. Elves. Demonic elves. Oh no, poor kid. Oh no. Oh, my kid's gone. Go do that. What the heck is going on? Whoa! Broke. Darn it! And I don't want to fall. Oh my gosh! I exploded into a million pieces. Oh my gosh! And my kid's still sitting up there with his thing in his head. Let's do 7 obstacles. Pretty highly rated. Okay, obstacle 1. Ooh, mines! Here. Let's get into the mines first. Let's see. Oh, that was cool. I survived it. Oh, forget about surviving it. Okay. And I'm supposed to go slow. I have a feeling I'm supposed to go slow, but I'm not going to. Okay. But I think I should have did what it said. Well, it didn't say go slow. I think I would have done what it expected me to. Yay me! Go. Gotcha. Oh, almost got hit. Oh, no. You don't get to. Oh, come on. I just went through all that. How you not get my head stabbed? Stinking game. Well, I'm gonna make my kid die. If I die again. Okay. Turn you, kid. Kid, this is all your fault. Huh. Aw, I got revenge. Okay, that's fine, I'll try. Here we go, super duper slow. Don't want to get touched. Yay! Ooh, let's watch the take this a moment. Seriously? You won't hurt the kid, but you'll hurt me. You are so nice. If I did it, and then I touch one. Touch, reach. The kid's arm is too small. Oh, and he broke his arm anyway, so nothing will work. So close. Oh, get back. Okay, here we go. Slow. What do I say? Let's go up and up. Here we go. Come on, go up. Slow. Yes. Now go fast. I blocked this harpoon. Yes. No. You aren't really gonna be doing this to me, are you? Looks like you are. Oh no. Yes. Yeah, I gotcha. No. Oh, yes. Oh, thank you. Obstacle 2, what? Oh, cool. Oh, what? I'm supposed to go down there? Oh no. I bet I should have been more careful. Oh, I got it! Dang, that was weird. Okay. Let's play zombie defense. How does that? Okay, zombie defense. What? Why do zombies have guns? Shoot, darn it. Oh my god. The zombie shot me. I'm still alive. Wahahaha. I still have my gun with me. Now why are their feet still moving? Got me that. And I probably should have waited till he... But I didn't want to shoot that. I wanted to shoot the bottom. Oh. Here, let me hit there. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Come on. Come on, you'll deserve it. Ha ha. Shot you. You're gonna die. Yeah, but I win. World Turf Game. Oh, good. Darn it, train. 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 Okay. World Turf Game. Oh no, World Turf Game. Oh no. Ooh, I'll go down here. I bet it no doubt I go down there. So it will kill me. Oh, cool, I won. But this time we're gonna do it for real. But we're gonna use someone whose vehicle can walk the harpoon shot, pretty much. If it'll work. Lawnmower, man. There we go. I just have to put it like this. And we're not supposed to actually die. I forgot about that. We aren't supposed to die. What a stinking yippee patootie. Come on. Where the heck is his body? Where the heck is his body? Come on, we're gonna go through a replay on that one. Look, he had no body. Look at that. Lawnmower Man had no body. What the heck? Tell me right now. What the heck, Lawnmower Man? What? We gotta be... What? Wait. What the heck? Where? A dead body. Oh! Doesn't he have like a blue colored shirt or something? Doesn't he have like the blue colored shirt that makes his body like part of his body non-seeable? Isn't that it? Hold on. Let me go back to a different level and see if that's the same. Let's just go to this because I need something like station. Oh, there. What the heck? Here. No, someone riding to in. Thank you. An obstacle. Oh yeah, that one. No! He has a white shirt. Then where the heck is his body? I want to know that. What the heck? He has a white shirt, but his... What the heck? What the heck? So let's go back to that level. What was it? We need a World Turf Game. There. Nope. Let's see if Santa does the same thing maybe. Because little to big. So let's see. Bad. No, Santa's fine. What the heck? Santa can still get killed. Come on. Heck, oh man, I thought I could. Still, what the heck is up with Lawnmower Man? Oh, there we go. You're like glitching out on me. What? I never saw that. What the heck, Lawnmower Man? Oh my god. Okay. One more level, then that's it. Murder, she wrote. Murder, she wrote. Okay. I'll need a practice. Is that it? Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm supposed to go near her. I'm not sure if there's like a change you can No, no, I'm not going near you. You're gonna kill me. I'm just gonna fall right into that right now. No? No? Okay. What the heck is lawnmower mean? Okay. Thanks for watching. I guess that'll be it. I have no idea what happened with Lawnmower Man. Anyway. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.